So hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Joey and today I'm going to show you how to create a high conversion rate abandoned checkout SMS message in just 3 minutes. So as an e-commerce business owner, I understand how frustrating it can be to see potential customers abandon their checkouts before completing their purchases. And you may have watched so many videos on how to set up abandoned checkout automation workflows with a series of emails. However, under most circumstances, the most efficient way to recover those abandoned checkouts is to send an SMS text messages within 30 minutes of the abandoned checkout being created. So now let's get started with the steps to create your high conversion rate abandoned checkout SMS using Robosell. And if you don't know how to install Robosell, please refer to this video of mine. So open Robosell from the admin panel of your Shopify store and then follow the steps below. So the first step is to add your brand name at the front of your SMS messages as the signature. So use braces to make it more formal, and by doing that, your messages will have a better chance to be recognized as a real and trustworthy brand and passed by the mobile communication services. So the second step is to address your customers by name. This creates a personal touch and shows that you value them as a customer. So for example, you can use this sentence with, hey, customer name, we noticed that you left something behind. And by using Robosell, you can add those tags by clicking and pasting. And Robosell will handle the replacement automatically when sending out the message. So step 3, remind them of their abandoned checkout. So the next step is to remind your customer of their abandoned checkout. So you can mention items that they have left behind. So this helps to bring the customers back to the checkout process and increase the chance of them completing their purchase. So for example, you can say, we noticed that you left some items in your cart. And step 4, offer a discount or a promotion. So in this step, you can offer a discount or promotion. This is a great way to incentivize customers to complete their purchase. And you can offer a discount code, free shipping, or a gift with purchase. And for example, you can say that as a thank you for shopping with us, use the code 10OFF for 10% off your purchase. So step 5, include a clear call to action. So the final step is to include a clear call to action. Encourage the customers to complete their purchase by including a clear call to action. This can be as simple as checkout now with a checkout link, and this helps to guide customers back to their checkout process. And keep in mind that Robosell will automatically shorten your checkout link into a short link with dtc.page, which greatly shortens the message and increases the click rate of the message. And there you have it. In just several minutes, you have high conversion rate abandoned checkout SMS message available that will bring customers back to complete their purchase. And remember to address the customers by name, remind them of the abandoned checkout, offer a discount or promotion, and include a clear call to action. So thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tutorials, and I will see you in the next video.